How to clean your liver in 3 days. Cleansing your liver is a powerful way to enhance your overall health, and while traditional cleanses involving apple cider vinegar, lemon drinks, and ginger can be beneficial, they don't match the effectiveness of the liver cleanse we're discussing today. This method is designed to speed up the detoxification process, removing toxins, chemicals, and dead cells from your body more efficiently. Your liver is responsible for detoxifying poisons, chemicals, and medications, as well as cleaning out dead cells and pathogens like viruses and bacteria. This process involves lysosomes, which are tiny incinerators within cells that break down waste and recycle it into new cells. This recycling process is known as autophagy. Several factors can trigger autophagy, listed here from the least to the most effective. Certain phytonutrients mildly stimulate autophagy. Ketogenic diet reduces carbohydrates, prompting autophagy. Exercise, physical activity accelerates the autophagy process. Sleep, quality sleep naturally induces autophagy. Calorie restriction, reducing calorie intake helps initiate autophagy. Water fasting, drinking only water significantly boosts autophagy. Dry fasting, abstaining from both food and water is the most potent method, with 1 day of dry fasting equating to 3 days of water fasting. Dry fasting enhances the immune system, provides mental clarity, reduces inflammation, and allows the kidneys and liver to rest. Despite common myths, your body can safely handle short periods of dry fasting, as it taps into water stored in fat cells. A typical dry fast might last from sunrise to sunset, making it a manageable and effective practice. During a liver cleanse, adopting a 1 meal a day (OMAD) approach can be beneficial. This meal should consist of cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, arugula, kale, bok choy, and cabbage. Broccoli sprouts, in particular, are exceptionally potent. Meat provides essential amino acids like glutamine, which boosts glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Meat also supplies iron and B vitamins, aiding in detoxification. To avoid adverse detox reactions, it's crucial to ensure that bile ducts are not blocked. Bile sludge can cause severe discomfort if not addressed before starting a cleanse. To prevent this, take bile salts. Supplements can help dissolve bile sludge. Consume beets. They are effective in thinning bile. Use apple cider vinegar, mixed with water. It can help clear blockages. Combining dry fasting with a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables and meat can lead to significant improvements in liver function and overall health. This regimen should be done 3 days a month for optimal results. If you experience any detox symptoms, biosalts can provide quick relief. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you can effectively cleanse your liver and support your body's natural detoxification processes.